Hi guys, Alex Peak Performance Reviews. Welcome to another vlog and welcome to a different video for you guys. But yes, it is, well, not really an ad. It's basically a product test review of another dash cam, but one that I really am quite excited to feature. And the reason why is it's a FITCAM FITCAMX, and it's basically an OEM 1.1 type of fitting so it's basically OEM style. So it looks as though it's integrated, and unlike a lot of other dash cams that are just stuck there, as though it is an OEM piece. Now, there's different variants that you can get in this dash cam. I've gone with the 4K with the 1080p rear, so I'll give you my review on that, and I'll give you links in the bio to everything and a little bit more of the tech spec as well if you're interested in that. But like I say, I am going to take you on a little bit of a drive and talk you through everything that I've noticed with this and why I like it and why I would probably potentially advise you guys to go get one. Well, one, first and foremost, it's nice and cheap, and two, it's high quality, both in nighttime and daytime usage. I found it to be really clear and like brilliant to use. It's simple, it's kind of always shooting, and like I said before, it just looks so good. But anyway, let's go and test it a little bit more. I have been driving this for the last kind of couple of weeks and seeing how it kind of looks and how the footage looks, but I'll talk you through a little bit more. And if you've got any questions, as always, hit us up in the comment section and keep an eye out a little bit further into the video, because there may be a little discount link code for you. But yeah, I'll tell you a bit more soon. Yeah, so it is a bit of a different video, guys, but I just want to go through a number of reasons why you'd have a dash cam. I'm sure if you're watching this, you're considering having or buying a dash cam. But of course, you'll see from a lot of the little clips that I'll hopefully post in like my B-roll, so to speak, while I'm driving along, unless I have an incident while we're kind of just driving along now. The point of having a dash cam is the fact that you can be just driving along trouble-free, and all of a sudden someone comes out, whether it's road ragers to people who just really don't drive very well, whatever that may be. Now, if you kind of need some kind of legislation or video footage in a court of law to kind of prove that you're innocent and the person that's being an absolute numpty is being a numpty, well, you need proof, and there's no better proof than having a dash cam. And there is so many things time and time again where you can get basically people banged to rights with the letter of the law with a dash cam, and the dash cam footage will give you everything. Now, although what I noticed on this dash cam, this FitCam, it doesn't have the speed readout, but my understanding is you don't need that. It has a timestamp, and that's the main thing you need. But other than that, what you do have is you have this OEM look, which is absolutely stunning, nice and clear, concise, really clear, like you'll see from my footage. But the fact that it integrates really nicely into this kind of body here, you just wouldn't know that is in there, and that's non-OEM, and that's what I love about this unit. Even the rear one's much of the same, you can't see it in there, but it's just high quality, both in daytime and nighttime shots. So I've been really impressed with this dash cam. And the other thing, which I'm going to say, is the price. The price is just so good. It's at such a decent price point. I think it's like between 130 to 200 pounds, fully loaded front and rear, with a really high-end 4K sensor and like I say 1080p on the rear. It's absolutely superb. But there's a number of different versions you can get, and again, I'll put links in the bio to give you that. And there's lots of different OEM cars that you can buy these for. Obviously, I'm in a Polestar 2 that you'll see right now, but it's absolutely amazing. There's an absolutely huge array of different cars that this supports, and like I say, it's a brilliant bit of kit. Integrates really well into the OEM casings, and also is just such a good price. One of the other key attributes of FitCam is the fact that their products comply with a lot of international law, a lot of international safety standards as well, which many other cams, like low-end ones, a lot of things that typically come from some companies that don't produce good quality equipment don't have these legislation or safety standards, which, like I say, is very important, really, to be honest with you. You don't think that, but when you're trying to again put these documentation or footage down, to your insurance people, this is why you need these safety standards and certifications, and this has all of those, which is great. And aside from that, it obviously, as I did touch on, it has this really, really high quality, high resolution 4K image, which I'll show you from the onboard footage, and it captures this absolute crystal clear picture with high quality, crystal clear video quality. But yeah, not only does it have kind of this crystal clear, high resolution 4K recording, it also captures crystal clear video both in daytime and nighttime, which is really, really important. So we've used this at night, and the footage that it has been capturing is absolutely superb. And again, for the price point, you wouldn't believe the quality that comes out of this camera, both in daytime shots and nighttime shots. So it's absolutely amazing, second to none from what I've seen. It has a wide angle lens with 170 degree view angle, which ensures like proper, good, comprehensive coverage of the road ahead, which is always really, really good. Really easy installation. It's on the front. I can back this up. It says 3-minute installation. Front is really, really easy. Literally, you can be anything from 3 to about 10 minutes to install this. The rear is a little bit more fiddly. If you want to do it nice and clean and OEM like I did in here, you're looking at a couple of hours from a competent person installing that. But really, in general, the instructions are really clear and concise, and it's very easy to install, which is also a massive positive. The product also has app and kind of Wi-Fi support, so you can kind of check recorded videos directly through your phone as well, which is also handy. And it obviously does record to the onboard SD card, which is provided also as well, which is great. But if you want a lot of storage, get a bigger SD card, and if not, you, like I say, it will keep punting out the footage and kind of reformatting itself if you don't kind of get rid of it anyway. And as I said, the biggest thing from this car, the biggest thing from this product is the fact that it has an OEM style design, the fact that it looks like it came out of the factory like this, hassle-free installation, so no messy wires, installation can be done in minutes. Like I say, this one on the rear is a little bit more fiddly, possibly a couple of hours, but in general this one took hardly anything at all. Ultra high definition 4K footage, crystal clear even in low light, which is great. Loop recording and collision detection and smart security features in and on this as well, and I will tell you a bit more about that. Yeah. So yes, we come to the end of the video, but I just wanted to give you a summarisation of what I think of this dash cam. Well, I told you before in the video, it is first and foremost really, really good value for how good it is. I think the fact that it kind of integrates like into an OEM unit, you wouldn't even know it's there, which I really, really like. One, for the surprise for someone else, but two, for the fact that it just doesn't look ugly. And again, value, as simple as that. The price of this, for the quality you get, what I've noticed for the footage, both night and day, is absolutely amazing. Even 1080p on the rear is amazing, but the front pictures, day and night, are absolutely amazing. It's probably one of the best ones that I've used in any dash cam, but they're cheaper than pretty much any dash cam. But again, OEM fitment, just absolutely gorgeous, and I can't recommend it highly enough. If you did miss in the video, I have got an 8% code, or well, a link. You just don't even have to put a code in, just hit the link and you'll get 8% off. Massively highly advisable from me. Dash cams are a must. I explained why, but yeah, don't listen to me, look at the footage and you'll see yourself. But I hope you've enjoyed this little review on the dash cam. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe. See you again in the next one. Bye for now.